Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix directions on Waze to keep the map north up. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to look at the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see three horizontal lines. This is your main menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it to open up all your navigation options and settings. This menu is where you'll access most of Waze's customization features, so it's important to familiarize yourself with its location. Once the menu opens up, you'll see a list of different options available to you. Look for the option labeled Settings and tap on it. This is where you can adjust how Waze behaves and displays information while you're driving. The Settings menu gives you control over everything from voice guidance to route preferences, making it a crucial part of personalizing your Waze experience. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll through the available options until you find Map Display. Tap on it to proceed. This section specifically controls how your map appears on screen, including orientation, color schemes, and various visual elements. It's designed to help you customize the map view to match your driving preferences and make navigation as comfortable as possible for you. Here's where the fix happens. Inside the map display settings, you'll see an option that says Keep Map North Up. This feature controls whether your map automatically rotates based on your direction of travel or stays fixed with north always pointing upward. When this option is enabled, it can sometimes interfere with turn-by-turn navigation, making it harder to follow directions naturally. Right beside the Keep Map North Up option, you'll notice a toggle button. This is what controls whether the feature is active or not. Simply tap on this toggle to turn it off. By disabling this setting, your map will now rotate based on your direction of travel, which makes following directions much more intuitive. The map will always show what's ahead of you at the top of the screen, matching how you naturally look forward while driving. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your Waze settings so that directions work properly without the map being locked to north. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.